Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we are here in San Francisco. We are on Pier 39. I'm going to do a quick little walking tour of Pier 39 for you guys. So there's a bunch of little places to shop at here, a bunch of little places to eat, so we'll kind of name those as we go. So there's Only in San Francisco souvenir shops off over to the left-hand side. We got Wipe Out Bar and Grill over to the left. Bubblegum Shrimp Company is here, but it's at the very end of the pier. So if you want bubblegum shrimp, you can get there, but it'll be at the very, very end. So they have a bunch of little shops, a bunch of little places to eat. If you want some good fresh seafood, this is the place to do so as well. Fisherman's Wharf is probably the most renowned for that, but Pier 39 does have some good stuff here as well. So they have chowders over on the left-hand side. They also have Mrs. Fields, so if you guys like Mrs. Fields, over on the left-hand side for some cookies. Ice cream shop over on the right, some dryers. They have the Alcatraz gift shop right up top there, so if you want some fun little stuff to take home as souvenirs, that's a good little spot to do so. We got Trisha's Mini Donuts here. Seen quite the line for that earlier, so it must be pretty dang good. So they have a crab house up here, bay views, mangoes, and tequila and cantina up here as well. We have the 70 experience here, so it's like a motion shooter type thing. It looks pretty cool, but I always get like motion sickness from those stupid things for some reason. Apologize if you guys hear some wind noise in here. Not intended, but sometimes I do pick up a little unintended wind noise and extremely loud playing music like what you're experiencing right there. Here's the Pier Market since 1983. Waterfront dining, fish and chips, and clam chowder and some sourdough bread. Down here they do have some more stuff for kids like Build-A-Bear. They have carousel as well. So just a little good spot to bring your family and friends on like the weekend or something like that. Grab a bite to eat. Some nice restaurants in here. They have a wine bar up over to the right. Here's the carousel thing that I was talking about, guys. And the chart house for seafood prime rib and premium cocktails is up over top left there. We'll check out bubblegum shrimp. Like I said, it's all the way at the very end here. If you want to do that, right there is your entrance way for it. They have an escalator, and it even works going up here, guys. Check that shit out. There's a carousel.
Yeah, this is seriously.
And a Magnetron magnetic store, probably similar to the one in Las Vegas. Not what I thought, but kind of cool either way. The end of the pier offers you some views on views, so we'll kind of go check that out for you guys. Got a huge candy store up over on the right-hand side, Candy Baron. Here's the end of the pier though, you can see a lot of stuff down here. Again, pardon the wind noise, it's at the end of the pier, so bear with me here. Here's the old Emerald Lady, a little tour boat over here. Beautiful San Francisco Bay straight out ahead there. There's Alcatraz, and right over there is the Golden Gate Bridge. So if you guys can see the two peering towers up over to the left, that's your Golden Gate for you. Sorry about the wind noise again. Quite windy here at the end of the pier, but kind of work our way back towards the front of Pier 39, catch some things that we missed maybe on the walk down here, and the walk back, and sort of check things out here. So the magnetic store, just kind of similar to the one in Vegas. It's a pleasantly warm day today, so that's definitely a welcome here in the beautiful city of San Francisco. It's really nice, so definitely appreciate that. Love this sunny weather. Which you guys know, if you're from the Bay, you definitely know these days are very rare and far and few between. So we will take it as we get it and go from there. We'll go upstairs here. Check out some of the stuff up here too for you guys. It's like a cool little bar place up over on my right. Swiss Louis Italian restaurant and seafood. Kind of toured the upstairs here a little bit. We did the downstairs tour, but never really checked anything out up here, so we'll kind of walk through the upstairs a little bit for you guys. So Mango is a Mexican restaurant. Flavor of Mexico is what it says on their sign. Never had it. I don't know if it's good or not, but I can tell you one thing, I'm absolutely starving, so I got to figure out something to eat here. But I think I might do some Fisherman's Wharf stuff and do like some clam chowder or some of that crab stuff that I saw. That crab little hut or whatever it was. Might actually walk down there and go check that out for lunch. The Crab House up here off to the right, really nice place. So, looks pretty good. Might have to check that out for dinner tonight with the wife. Place is absolutely huge. Forget how big this Pier 39 actually is. But this pretty much brings us back to the beginning here. So if you guys liked the video, I hope you did. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you guys want to consider supporting the channel, please do so by the Patreon links below. I'll also have some links in the video as well. But as always, from San Francisco on this adventure, my name is Ryan, and until next time.